everyone. As you can see, I've got my Surface Laptop 4 in front of me, and one of the biggest problems that I have with this laptop, and there really aren't that many problems that I have with it, is basically the number of inputs that you have. So basically we have a USB-A, a USB-C, and a headphone jack, and that's it, except for this little port over here, and that's what we're going to be talking about today. What we're going to do is unbox the dock for the Surface. This can be used with a few other devices, not just the Surface 4 laptop, and we'll go through that in just a moment. But what it's going to do is it's going to add a wired Ethernet, another headphone, two USB-Cs on the back, two USB-As on the back, and then on the front, I believe there are two USB-Cs as well. So that will allow you to attach a monitor and other peripherals to your laptop. So let's go ahead and take a closer look again at the outside the box. So it's the Dock 2. It will not work with the original Surfaces, but it will work with a number of the other ones. So that's really it. So let's go ahead and unbox this, and we're going to do that. There's a pull tab on this side, and I think I saw one on the other side as well. I will say this thing is beefy. It is not light. There we go. Got those guys, so let's just go ahead and slide this out now. And go ahead and open this up. And then we've got the instructions here. Got the power. And then we've got the power brick. So there's a lot to this here. All right, I'm gonna get everything cleaned up and I'll be right back. All right, so let's go ahead and unbox or unwrap a lot of these things. So like I said, this does have a power brick, and that is basically because of what the dock will be able to power itself. So that way it's not drawing from the laptop. The laptop itself will, as you would imagine, be able to be charged by this as well. So it's pretty awesome. All right, and while we're going through this, if you have any questions, make sure to ask down below. All right, so now we got everything pretty much uncabled there. This is basically about this document here is got stuff about the warranty. We don't really need that for today's purposes, but yeah, there's not really that much information on here. So we've got the USB-C display ports, which are right here, which are very well labeled. It's got a gigabit Ethernet. It's got the power, which is what this guy is going to be plugging into. And yeah, I mean, there's really not that much to go over here. So let's go ahead and get the laptop out and this all powered up, and we'll be right back. All right, so we've got our dock here. It's actually going to be facing like this most of the time. These are going to be facing towards the back, which will then basically give you the front USB-Cs. Let me go ahead and get our power cable here. And that just plugs in right there. And then we get to use our little dock right over here. And so all you're gonna do is plug it in right here. And you'll notice that we now have power going to that. So that's really all there is to it. I like these power bricks. I had one of the original Surface laptops when they were released, and one of the best investments I had was basically in one of these docks. Now this is definitely an upgrade, so I'm looking forward to seeing how this works. If you have any questions, ask down below. If you like the video, give it a thumbs up. If you don't already subscribe to the channel, I invite you to do so. We do lots of things on the channel that a professional geek might find interesting, like electronics, home automation, going to theme parks, Star Wars, and that sort of thing. Basically anything that a professional geek might find interesting. So with that, if you're not already subscribed to the channel, please do so, and have a great day.